There's beauty and power in unity. We should be united in our minds and in our hearts. One world, one nation, together. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Disenka Hettiarachchi from OKI International School, Kandana branch, and I stand before you to deliver a speech on the topic of unity among all humans is wonderful. Unity is simply being or staying together. This entails lending a hand to each other in any circumstance. Unity is strength. It's an old quote where people were strong together as a team or as a group. Everything began when a group of pigeons were caught up in a net. They collaborated and conquered their test. But why don't we see this in the present society? It's because people are in a bustling timetable. They lack the opportunity to associate with one another. Furthermore, they've become conceited, endeavor, and seek for a momentary satisfaction through materialistic goods. One of the major reasons why we don't find a social cohesion in the present society is because we as human beings have emotions like love, hatred, anger, jealousy, and even revenge. But if this continues, it would lead to miscommunication and war. Unity is simply the threads that weaves us together like a tapestry. And when we embrace unity, we transcend our differences and identify the bonds we have. It helps to solve social, political, and economical problems. It also helps leaders to govern the people, and this would lead to the stability of the society. Now, in a family, if there is no collaboration among its family members, they can easily be influenced by external forces, and this would lead to no obliteration of their bonds. People try to be condescending among each other in the society, but remember, we may come in different ships, but we are all in the same boat. Therefore, let's build mutual respect among each other, celebrate diversity, be an exemplary person, work together as a team, and raise the awareness of each other. Because we should not only build unity in our society, we should build unity among nations. The UN believes that various nations should come across divisions if they are to receive shared solutions. Because the first step to a better world is unity, and it is indeed wonderful. Finally, I would conclude my speech leaving you all with a small question to think of. My humanity is bound in yours because we can only be human together. We as human beings have only two options. We either cherish living a life happily together or perish in our egos. The choice is yours. Thank you and have a nice day.